Haechi. Written by Imogen. Illustrated by Oh Chi-gun. Acorn Forest Publishing Company. There are 6 bright stars in the far southeastern sky. They are the mystical Haechi who guard justice and life. Those stars are called the Haechi stars. Haechi first came to Earth when the world was peaceful. People said the sun sent him, so they called him Haechi. Deep in the mountains, he ate only black marble berries. His blue-scaled body gave off a sweet scent. A single shining horn rose from his head. Haechi's horn was hard and strong. It keeps the world on the right path. Haechi stands with the weak and the just. If someone cried, he hurried to help. When he saw a bully, he charged with his horn. In any quarrel, Haechi watched with his big round eyes. Where Haechi was, even the weak lived without fear. No one dared to bully others. When unsure of right or wrong, they asked Haechi. A wise king wanted Haechi's wisdom.
Stay by me and help me judge fairly, so that no one in my land will suffer.
Quietly, Haechi stayed by the king. He exposed the wrong and helped the right. He let no one be treated unfairly. But some hated Haechi. They were General Kalkal and his followers. General Kalkal's band seized what they wanted and hurt the people. They knew that without Haechi, even the king could not stop them. Late at night, General Kalkal and his men crept to Haechi's sleeping place. They planned to take his life. But the place where Haechi had been lying was completely empty. The soldiers looked around in confusion. A loud laugh from Haechi rang out. Startled, they stumbled about. Haechi floated in the sky, shining with light.
Catch that beast! Shoot your arrows!
As Kalkal shouted, Haechi swooped down. He rammed General Kalkal with his horn. Terrified soldiers shot arrows at him. Blood flowed from the wounds. Haechi looked down at General Kalkal's fallen men. He felt sorry that such wicked men held people's lives. He rose high and burst into bright flames. Then the light slowly faded. Haechi was returning to the sky. As he sank into the dark, raindrops began to fall. The rain grew heavier. Morning came, but the world stayed dark. The rain fell harder and harder.
Has the sky torn open? Heaven is surely angry.
People learned Haechi left because of General Kalkal's men. They blamed General Kalkal and his men. The king jailed General Kalkal's band for hiding their crime. Animals in homes were about to be swept away.
Dear Haechi, please stop this rain. Please forgive us.
Haechi in the sky could not ignore their prayers. The rain stopped and the bright sun returned. Relieved, people danced with joy. They bowed, thanking Haechi for defeating the bullies. They were deeply saddened that Haechi, their faithful protector, had returned to the distant sky. Later, they made stone statues of Haechi and set them at the palace gate. Anyone who entered the palace for work had to get off their horse in front of Haechi. They laid a hand on him and pledged, "I will serve with an upright heart." There are 6 bright stars in the far southeastern sky. They are Haechi, the Haechi stars. When new life is born, the stars shine their light. When people quarrel or the weak suffer, Haechi gently looks down. With wings and scales raised and horn held high, he longs to rush back like the wind to help once more.